One day, Billy was sent to the Blue Mountain Quarry to help out. Look, I never signed up to do this, and I don't want to stay here one night, so I better be out of here quickly. Let me get this work done. That would never suit His Grace, said Duke. Look, you don't want to end up like that last engine you had to help out, said Skarloey. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Oh, don't remind me. Well, come on, don't just stand there. Get the work I have to do, said Billy, and he stormed away. Things only got worse from there. Billy smashed Phineas into a big turntable well, and he also managed to get Duncan stuck into some rocks. But the worst thing he did was when Sir Handel needed to take a truck up the mountain. Billy was supposed to tell Sir Handel when it was safe to go down, but he wasn't there. Sir Handel assumed that it was safe, so he started his journey. At the same time, though, Peter Sam was coming up the hill with some trucks full of coal. Sir Handel saw Peter Sam in the distance. Then it happened. Sir Handel and Peter Sam were stuck in the works, and Billy was sent away in disgrace. That night, he returned to his shed. Charlie was there. "How'd it go?" he asked. "I don't want to talk about it."